Okay, it's been 16 minutes since the first pile in the previous video was dumped, and now here comes the truck with the next 25-30 cubic meters of fill material. Total of 16 minutes to spread and compact 25 to 30 cubic meters of fill. And now we're just slowly watching the truck back up the hill here, dump the next 25 to 30 cubic meters. And today it looks like we've got a truck in waiting too, which is great. We're just pretty much getting the trucks every 15-20 minutes, which is matching the time it takes to spread compact the infill material.